Dear, today we are going to learn about the one new subject of our Open Basic Education level B, that is basic computer skills. Today we are going to discuss about our first lesson, that is introduction to computer. So in the last the level A, you have already accustomed with what are the parts of computer and what are the type of computer, and in this class we are going to recapitulate some part of that part also, and we are going to learn about some of the many new topics in this class. So today our objective of this class to learn about the various tools and equipments of this computer and how to define a computer, or means what a computer is. Further, we will also discuss about the modern uses of a computer and what are the ways we can further use a computer for our better livelihood. And fourth will be the how to start and how to close a computer, and this part is very much important. Here you have to follow some of the schematic step to successfully start as well as close a computer. And our fifth will be the what are the precaution that we should follow during the using of a computer. And sixth will be the places where a computer is most commonly used. And last will be the how to create, save and as well as delete a file in our computer. So let's first understand about what is computer. You may have seen the computer in your home, in market and some other places, because today the computer as an instrument is available everywhere. A computer is basically an electronic machine that can actually store, process and retrieve the various amount of data, because in today's era the data is the most important tool, and as the human beings we have a very short memory and we cannot memorize the long range of data, long information. In that case a computer can help us. Basically the computer was invented by Charles Babbage. That's why he is called the father of computer, and he developed the first mechanical computer in 1822, and after that 1822 the computer has undergone the various generation, or we can say evolution. In this evolution the various types of computers are developed by various types of scientists. They are like first generation computer, second generation computer, third and fourth. And in today's era whatever computer we are using, actually these are actually fifth generation computer. So let's understand why a computer is a special. Because the computer can perform the task which also human can do. But what are the difference between a computer as well as a human being? There are actually the basically four steps by which we can computer has a special ability, that is speed, memory, accuracy and its diligence. Let's understand about speed. And because the computer is a first electronic device, actually it can perform a task in a second which a human requires the several hours or days together. And it is the only because the computer that man has, it is due to the use of computer the man has reached the moon, and actually the man has also able to travel the space. Today even we can say that the weather forecast, that is when the rain will fall, and what are the, how will be the sky, whether it will be the rainy season, whether it will be rainy or clear sky, we all can predict through computer. So next comes is the computer memory. Actually the man can forget, but a computer cannot forget. Once a data is stored within it, it can show the any data that was written hundred of years ago or years ago, and it can show that data within a second. But in case of human being, we need the time to memorize that data and also further reproduce it. Actually in that way the computer has become an important part of our life. That's why the today's era is called computers era. Then comes the what are the accuracy of computer. Actually the calculation which are performed by a computer, they are 100% correct. Every year you can see that every year lakhs of students appear for different competitive exam, and their results are declared very quickly, and this is possible with the help of computer. Actually, and further due to the accuracy of computer, we can pay our bills for our electricity, phone, restaurant, for our water uses. And the fourth characteristics of a computer is diligence. Actually the man get tired after working for a few hours, but computer can work for days and for nights 24/7 round the clock. That's why the computer is more efficient in doing a work. So next let's learn about what are the tasks performed by a computer. A computer can perform the exchange of information and data with the various parts of the world. Like we are sitting today in India. If something is happening in America or Europe, we can know through the help of internet within a minute, and that's why the computer is very much useful for us. Second is the mathematical operation. The computer can perform the huge and long analytical mathematical operation which are particularly required for the research, aviation and other purposes. Third is analysis of data. Today's era actually called the age of data or age of data science, and from this data what are the conclusion can be made, we can draw by the help of the computer, and that's why a computer is an great aid in the analysis of data. And also the computer can perform the thousands of works simultaneously in a single second. So let's understand about what are the parts of a computer. Generally a simple computer has a 4 parts. First one is monitor, second one is CPU or central processing unit, third is keyboard, and fourth is mouse. Actually here keyboard and mouse, actually they are called input device, while the monitor it is called output device. So let's understand about what is a computer monitor. Computer monitor, as we have already discussed, it is an essential output device that actually displays the information basically in pictorial or textual form, and in this the textual forms are generally incorporated in the computer with the help of the keyboard as well as mouse, as they are the input device for the computer. Generally a monitor has 2 components, one is visual display and second is connector. In case of visual display, it is actually the monitor which is made up of various technologies like LCD liquid crystal display or the LED backlighting. And another one is the connector, and through this connector a monitor is connected to CPU, and there are various types of connector like HDMI connector, USB-C or VGA type connector. Then comes the what are the modern features of a monitor. Particularly a monitor, actually the current monitor which are being used in today's era, they are basically a power saving. They have some of the indicator light. Some of them already have the integrated accessories. Fourth, they have the ultra wide screen, and fifth, they have the touch screen, and also they also have the sensor. So what are the power saving? Actually the modern computer, they can consume the power more efficiently. As a result, the computer consume the less power, as we know that the computer is run on electricity. Next, what are the indicator light? Particularly some of the computer, the especially gaming type of computer, they show the various type of indicator light, and these indicator lights are different when the computer is on, also when the computer is in sleep form. Third is the integrated accessories. Actually in present context, the some of the monitors are coming is already inbuilt extra accessories like sound facility, box, and as well as camera installed in it. Then comes ultra wide screen. The computer which has the ultra wide screen, it is easy to use and view the screen, and also for the convenience of various type of users, there are touch screen and as well as sensors installed in the monitor. Next comes the CPU or the central processing unit. Actually a central processing unit, it is a primary component of a computer system. It is often referred as a brain or heart of a computer. A CPU has generally two components. One is control unit, another one is arithmetic logic unit. Actually this control unit regulates the flow of input and output on the screen or on the monitor, while the arithmetic logic unit perform the various types of mathematical calculation. Next comes the keyboard. Keyboards are the fundamental input device that allows to enter the character, number and commands, and there are the various components of keyboard. There are like the character keys, control keys, function key, as well as the navigation and numeric keys. In the present day, the keyboards are generally made through QWERTY layout. Actually the keyboard is particularly useful in present era because the letters and articles are particularly written through the typewriter, and if any error was found, they had to be typed again. But the computer has helped us to rectify this excess labor. Actually we can remove all type of errors when typing is done through a computer. That's why a computer have taken the place of typewriter. We can not only edit a document any number of times, but also make it beautiful by enhancing its looks, and that too very quickly. Next comes what are the types of keyboard. There are various types of keyboard like desktop keyboard, laptop keyboard, ergonomic keyboard, gaming keyboard, flexible keyboard, as well as handheld keyboard. Next comes mouse. A mouse actually a fundamental input device that allows the users to enter the character, number and commands into the computer system. A mouse is very much helpful to navigate through a computer system. So student, we have learned about what are the parts of the computer. Let's take a break. After that we will learn about how to start a computer, how to close it, and how to process the Word file within the computer.
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने राहों को आलोकित करने हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने।
अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने राहों को आलोकित करने।
धन साधन समय की सीमा से विद्यालय जो मुक्त हो,
धन साधन समय की सीमा से विद्यालय जो मुक्त हो।
कभी पढ़े हम कहीं पढ़े वे विषय की लोच से युक्त हो।
कभी पढ़े हम कहीं पढ़े वे विषय की लोच से युक्त हो।
मित्रों हम उठे और जागे,
मंजिल आने की ध्वनि सुने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने राहों को आलोकित करने।
राष्ट्रीय मुक्त विद्यालय का है द्वार खुला सबकी खातिर।
शिक्षा परीक्षा का अवसर एक बार ही क्यों मिलता फिर।
शिक्षा और परीक्षा का अवसर एक बार ही क्यों मिलता फिर। दुनिया में इसके केंद्र बात
कोई मन चाहा केंद्र चुने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने। कोई मन चाहा केंद्र चुने। स्वयं बने, हम
So welcome back students. So we were discussing about the various parts of computer. So we have already knew that the computer has a monitor, that is CPU or central processing unit, the keyboard as well as mouse. Let's start now the how to start a computer. First of all, the switch on the button next to the plug of the UPS. UPS is the instrument actually this instrument actually helps the computer to prevent it from automatic shutdown when the power goes out. And after the switch on the UPS power button, then the click on the power button of CPU as well as monitor, and here the computer itself starts the process to start, and this process is actually known as a booting. And after a minute you will see that you will see the desktop on the monitor screen, which will look like something this type. Next comes to the how to close or shut down a computer. And when you want to shut down a computer, click the start button present at the extreme left hand corner at the bottom of your desktop, and a menu will open where you will find a shutdown option to end it. Here we will also found the various other options like sleep option also, and after that the computer itself will shut down automatically. And when the screen becomes black, now press the power button of UPS and close the switch on the switchboard. So next comes about what are the benefits of a computer. A computer can generate the benefit in our society in various way, like you can start your small business through computer, like the various type of printing document, letter, magazine. Also you can also the book for train and airline ticket in the sitting within the home. Here you need not to go to the ticket counter, and here you also save your time. And further you can also collect the various type of interesting information for your subject which you are studying. It may be like maths, English, history, geography, or it may be science also. Then also you can do the various types of online courses for your skill development, or you can also learn about the advanced level topics for your interest. You can also learn about various techniques, equipments, seeds and as well as various shortcut tricks about farming. You can also pay the bills for water, electricity, telephone, mobile as well as credit card. You can also make yourself aware about the various type of news and the weather report that is happening entire the world. So let's understand what are the places that the computer is being frequently used. First sector is education sector. Here with the help of computer we can know about the various subject of our interest, and also and with the advent of artificial intelligence we can do the education work more efficiently. Next there is film industry where computer is used. Here computer may be used for the film editing as well as sound designing. It is also used by banks for transaction of money, and also in case of science experiment various type of data analysis and various control experiment can be done through the computer. It is also used by industries, transport, news and media agency, fashion agency, as well as in sports, in daily office work of a private company or a government office. Also it is used in hospital as well as shopping malls. So let's understand about how to create, save and open a file in a Word. First, here you need to click upon the start button, which is the bottom left corner. After that, click on all programs and look for the Microsoft Office. After that, click on the Microsoft Office, and here you will find the MS Word 2016 2007. You may use the other version also, and here after that, after clicking the MS Word 2007, the word processor window will appear in your monitor. So here this is the actually home screen of a MS Word. Here you can see the various types of bar. At the top left you can see the quick access toolbar, below it there is menu bar. After that you can see the document window, horizontal scroll bar, status bar, as well as there is insertion point, and at the right hand there is also the vertical scroll bar. Next, how to save a document. Suppose you have typed your name on a document. After that, go to the office button which is on the top left corner. There it will appear the save button, and after that you click on the save as window. It will open a window. Here you have to type your file name, in which name you want to save this file. Here you can write your name also, and after that click on the save button and the document will be saved in your computer. Also, apart from that, there is other method through which you can save your document. Press the Ctrl S together in your keyboard. After that there one window will appear there, and here type your file name, and after that save your file. So let's understand about how to open a already saved document. Here you press the Ctrl O simultaneously in keyboard shortcut. It will open a dialog box that will appear with a few options left. Here click on the desktop. Here the list of files will appear, and click on the file what you want to open, and maybe it will be the file what you have saved through your name, or it may be the other file, and right click on it and click the open button. So next comes the how to delete a file. Here in the first method we will see our file on the desktop. Here we will right click on this file and select the delete from the given option. Here the delete dialog box will appear, and after that we will click on the yes, and the file will be deleted. Here you can see that after right clicking, this type of option will become visible to you, and here at the bottom portion you will find the delete option. And next come to the second method. Here you can click on the file icon, and after that press the delete key that is present in your keyboard, and here that a dialog box will appear for your confirmation. And also here we can press the yes to delete the file, and if you are not sure or if you do not want to delete it, then click the no option here. So here this type of dialog box will appear when you press the delete key on the screen. So students, this was our today's the introduction to computer lesson. Here we have learned that what are the various types of computer, and how to save a file, and how to create a Word file, how to delete it, and also we have also learned about the how to open or close a computer. And this was the introduction part. In the next class we will also learn about the word processing software in more detail. So thank you for today's class. We will see you in the next class.